Welcome to 60 Seconds to Code, where I show you how to code in 60 seconds or less. Today you will learn about using while loops to execute pieces of code repeatedly. Step 1. Create a new file called whileLoop.py and type input provided is equal to input. What is your name in line 1, exactly as it appears on the screen. Step 2. Type while input provided is not equal to quit on line 2. This line indicates the start of the loop, and any lines indented after this will execute repeatedly until the input provided variable equals quit. Step 3. Type print hello plus input provided indented as you see on your screen on line 3. Step 4. On line 4, type input provided is equal to input what is your name ? Exactly as it appears on the screen indented. Step 5. On line 5, type print goodbye indented as you see on your screen. This line will not execute until the while loop is finished executing. Step 6. Run the program. When you want the program to quit, just type quit. This is an implementation of the do while loop, which is not supported in Python. For your homework, research the do while loop in another language and try to find out why I had to identically write line 1 and line 4. Congratulations, you have learned about while loops to execute code snippets repeatedly. Save and push to GitHub and try to code a little every day, because code is life.